The pessimist complains about the wind, and the optimist expects it to change, and the leaders adjust the sails. Who is a leader? What makes up a leader? What is the difference between a leader and a boss? Why have leadership skills become so important? And in order to learn and enhance our leadership skills, we must find the answer to all these questions first. A leader is someone who can see how things can be improved and who relays people to move towards that better vision. Leaders can work toward making their vision a reality while putting people first. A great leader possesses a clear vision, is courageous, has integrity, honesty, humility, and clear focus. And great leaders help people reach their goals and are not afraid to hire people that might be better than them and take pride to the accomplishment of those they help along the way. And a boss manages their employees, while a leader is someone who does more than just lead people, one who inspires them to innovate, think creatively, and strive for perfection. And every team has a boss, but what people need is a leader who will help them to achieve greatness. Foremost, it is crucial that you understand the importance of leadership skills. And being an effective leader is a hard road to hoe, but the reward it yields is worth the trouble. It is not the position of power, but your leadership skills that help you think in a unique and out of the box way. And good leadership skills comprise more than one or two traits, and there is more to leadership than just knowing the technical aspects of how to manage a team. Effective leaders are many things. They are determined, they are ethical, innovate, passionate, kind, curious, focused, confident, collaborative, courageous, wise, and are empowering also. Now let us come to the most crucial process of how to improve and manage your leadership skills. Number one is practice discipline. A good leader needs discipline. Developing discipline in your professional and your personal life is a must in order to be an effective leader and to inspire others to be disciplined as well. People will judge your capabilities and to lead by the amount of discipline you display at work. Number two is keep learning. The best path to becoming a good leader is to always keep learning new things, as it keeps your mind sharp and your skills fresh. It primes you for new challenges that may come your way, which is always a good thing in a leader. Number three is be a discerning listener. Becoming a leader doesn't always means have to be in a spotlight. An important trait of a good leader is someone who listens to suggestions, ideas, and feedbacks from the other people also and build on them. Good listeners know that communication is not only about words, but picking up non-verbal cues such as eye contact and their body language. Number four is find your passion. In order to be an effective leader, you need to be passionate about what you do. Just think about it. It is inspiring to follow a person who is all in, who eats, who sleeps, and breathes the work. Of course, passion is not really something you can fake. When you are truly engaged with your work, others will be more likely to follow you. The importance of leadership skill in network marketing is more crucial we think it is. Because in order to accomplish in the field of network marketing, we are required to make a competent team to rely upon and convince people to join the business. And leadership skills play a vast role here. And here are some additional tips to help you becoming a successful leader in your network marketing industry. Number one is confidence. A person who is confident is sure in their abilities. You see yourself in terms of who you can become and what you can achieve. You have a clear vision for where you are and you are resourceful to figure things out to achieve success. Number 2 is capable. Someone who is capable is one who, when you assign them as a new builder into your business and you send them a welcome letter with all the details of enrolling and duplicating, they actually read the letter and get to work prospecting and enrolling. And this leader type follows instructions and takes initiative to figure it out. Number 3 is committed. Committed means that when things are going poorly, you are still there. You attend all the corporate trainings and events month after month. You show up on leadership calls. You are all in with no excuses. And number 4 is coachable. You do not have to recreate the formula required to be successful in this business. This industry is over 60 years old and has created thousands of 6 and 7 figure income earners. Success shows clues, and though follow the direction and observe the action of those who are successful. Then you seek out a coach or mentor and be coachable. Number 5 is good communicator. The key to great leadership is being a good communicator. You need to communicate, correct expectations, educate and inspire others while instilling confidence in team members. To develop and improve your communication skills, mirror what other successful people do. Then figure out what works and what doesn't work for you and for your team. And at last, the very essence of leadership is that you have to have vision. You cannot blow an uncertain trumpet. So this is it for this video. In our next 4th episode, we will talk about the personality development skill. Well, you can see all the episodes of this series from the given link in the description box of this video. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and do share this video with everyone, especially with your team members. And do subscribe to the channel for more upcoming amazing videos. So this is Divya from Trigunity Academy. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.